Enhance your human experience with Omni Security and Home Automation. Today you'll learn how to automate your video settings to your personal preferences and make life easy. We'll show you how.
Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video we are going to be learning how to set up automation for our home automation. This is probably one of the best parts about having a smart home. Having a home where the doors will automatically lock themselves based on certain rules, or having lights that will turn themselves on and off based on the time of day or even whenever we come home. So we don't have to come home to a dark home, or we can rest assured knowing that our front door is indeed secured and locked. In this video, we are going to be opening up the Automation tab, and then we are going to be reviewing how to set up a couple of basic rules. So let's get into it, shall we? So to open up the Automation tab, all we have to do is take our mouse and move over to the left here and click on the Automation window, and it comes up. Any rules that we have set up already will automatically be here. So to set up some rules, all we need to do is take our mouse and go into the upper right hand corner and click on Add New Rule. And then we pick what type of rule we want to add. So we want to have an event triggered rule. An event triggered rule is something that happens when we do an action. For example, if we arm our system, or if we unlock a lock, or if we disarm our system, we can have other actions happen at the same time. So all we need to do is use our imagination, our creativity to set up the rules to do whatever we want. So, for example, if we wanted to automate our lights to come on, we can say when our system is disarmed, turn on the selected devices, and we can have any kind of time limit. So if we want to have a specific light come on for just a little bit, or maybe just turn on and stay on. Most of the time we just want it to stay on, so we just select on indefinitely. And we just need to pick our devices down here. So we can pick, say, the corner lamp, and the main lights, and the pendant lights, and the corner lamp all turn on, and hit close. And then down at the bottom we can specify a little bit more granular when we want this to happen. We can have it at all times, we can have it only during specific times, or we can specify only after sunset to turn the lights on. This would be great in case we had, say, our outside lights on our automation. And then all we have to do is hit save. If we wanted to automate our lock a little bit, we can do the same thing. We just hit Add New Rule, go to the Event Rule, and we come over here and pick Locks. And once again, we just apply our imagination. So if we want to automate our lock, we can pick a door that's going to be our trigger. So we're going to go ahead and just pick the office door. And when this door gets locked, the other doors will lock automatically. So we just pick all the doors, or any doors that we want. And then down at the bottom, we can specify a specific time. So we could have this either happen all the time or whenever the times we choose. And we just pick on the days. And we can set up between whatever time to whatever time. We can also have the locks be controlled by our alarm panel, arming or disarming. And to do that, all we need to do is come up here and pick arm or disarm, and then apply our imagination once again. So if the alarm is disarmed, we can unlock the doors, or if the alarm is armed, we can lock the doors after a little bit of a delay, or we can set no delay or any amount of delay that we'd like, up to 3 minutes, lock the doors, and again, during this particular schedule. And then all we have to do is come over and click on Save. To set up a schedule, all we have to do is come up here to the Schedules, and then we can add a new schedule by coming over here and click on Add New Schedule. And then we select Lights, because we want to automate our lights. And then again, we just apply our imagination and fill out the form. So if we had, say, for example, some outdoor lights that we wanted to have come on at sunset, we come over here, we select our devices that we want to have come on. So we'll select these ones since these are our outdoor lights. And close. on specific days, so we want to have this happen through the weekdays. We can choose between down below here, turn on, turn off, or dim the lights based on our time of day. And then we just need to pick a time of day we want to have that action happen. So if we want to have things around sunset, so we'll say about 7 o'clock in the evening, and then we'll leave on. And then down below here, we can make the times approximate. This would be used in case we were on, say, vacation, and we wanted to kind of give the impression that somebody is home, so the lights don't turn on automatically every day at 7 o'clock. One day they'll turn on maybe at 7:30, and then another day they'll turn on maybe at closer to 6:30. This will make those times happen like that. And when we're all done here, all we have to do is click on Save, and then that rule gets saved. And finally, the scenes. Scenes are used when we want to have multiple actions happen at one time. To set up scenes, all we need to do is go up to the top here and click on the Scenes button. And then we just use our imagination once again to set up our scenes. So if we have our home scene, we can edit this. So when we run the home scene, what will happen is, for example, our panel will disarm, our office door, our storage door, and our main entrance and the garage door all unlock. The thermostat sets itself to 74 degrees. Hit save. The mode, we'll leave that on. The fan turns on to auto mode and save. And our lights will all turn on. Then we press save. And then all those triggers we just set up will happen all at once. And we can make another one for, say, when we go to bed. Arms the panel to stay. Locks the doors, those were already selected for us, sets the thermostat down, and then we can have them through and have all the lights turn off for us right at the end of the night. And then we come over here and click Save, and then everything selected will happen when we select the sleep. We can make a new scene simply by coming up here and clicking on the New Scene button, and we can name it anything we want. And once again, just apply the same rules. So click on any action that we want to have happen. We want to have these two doors unlock, and then this door unlock, and then set the temperature to a little bit on the low side. Save. And when we're done, all we have to do is come down and hit the Save button. Now, wasn't that easy? So in this video, we reviewed how to set up the automation. We opened up the Automation tab. We took a look at the rules and set up a couple of rules. Then we took a look at the schedule. We set up some schedules, and then we took a look at our scenes, and we set up a scene. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel to get the most out of our alarm systems. And please be sure to visit our webpage at omnisecurityinc.com.
Get the most out of your Omni system and enhance your human experience. Now you've learned how to automate your video settings to your personal preferences. Learn more anytime at www.omnisecurityinc.com, and make sure to join our communities on Facebook and